Did you know that by 2025, it's predicted that half of all online searches will be done through voice search? Today, we're diving into the future of SEO and the key predictions and trends that will shape success in 2025. One of the central challenges facing SEO professionals in 2025 is the increasing complexity of search engine algorithms and the rise of new technologies like AI and voice search. Let's explore how AI will impact search rankings, the importance of optimizing for voice search, and the role of user experience in SEO strategies. The key moment comes when we discuss the shift towards user-focused content and the rise of visual and video search as major trends in SEO. In summary, to succeed in SEO in 2025, you need to adapt to AI, optimize for voice search, prioritize user experience, and leverage visual and video content. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of SEO and share your thoughts on what trends you think will dominate the SEO landscape in 2025.